Now let's see if it does anything now. Oh shit, it started. I did not expect that. Engine sounds quiet. Like, I did not expect that. Wow. I'm speechless. Like, I could hear the ECU backfiring and everything. Not ECU, the exhaust backfiring and everything. But we're gonna wait until it gets up to idling temperature. It's louder on this side, and it's rich on this side. So we're gonna let it run for a little while and see. So yeah. Okay, so I got it to turn on. It sounds pretty crazy, like one side is going. So the right side is rich and the left side seems lean, but I'm not 100% sure. Like, it may need gas, it may just need to idle. So yeah. Okay, so the ignition or the throttle isn't doing anything, so let's turn the car off, and I'm gonna try switching the ECUs around and see if that does anything. Okay, so I swapped the ECUs around. Now we're gonna just see what happens. Oh wait, that sounds, let me see. So the throttle doesn't do anything, still sounds about the same. Let me see. Let me see if it'll go back. Okay, so it will move, but the throttle doesn't do anything. It's odd. It says that the parking brake is on, but it's not. The, what do you call it? This thingy, the power steering isn't doing anything. Let's see if now this side, nope, still the same. Right side is loud. Left side is quiet. Engine still sounds quiet. I don't know. Would it run? So that's the first step, and then I guess we just really gotta maybe some grounds, and I don't know. I guess we just have to see. Sounds like it's run. I don't know, but we're gonna figure it out because it does run. So that's the first issue. I'll probably even grab some gas and yeah. Okay, so I got it to at least rev. Heated steering wheel works. Phone works. It doesn't work, but you can hear it. It says it's locked, but this is cool. It's connected to the speakers of the vehicle. Yeah, so this display doesn't work, but yeah, as you guys can see, like majority of the pixels are dead. Yeah, the parking thing works. Shifts feel pretty good. No clunking or anything. But yeah. I mean, I guess this is it for now. I have to try and find a mass airflow sensor. I'm gonna clean this MAF first, but I need to find a mass airflow sensor if cleaning this one doesn't fix the issue. But yeah, so you guys can see it does rev, but then it just wants to die out. So that's a MAF issue. Thanks for watching, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See, we're already getting farther than I thought. Like, I thought I wouldn't be able to get it running until like well into the weekend, but for all we know, we may even be able to drive it this weekend. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I could find a mass airflow sensor if I can't get this one to clean. But yeah, thanks for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and you already know, drink water and drink tea, motherfuckers.